Rustic decor creates warmth and natural beauty in the home. It also blends in well with light and neutral colors. To help pull off the look, add simple, staple pieces to your collection, like rustic picture frames. You can create your own DIY picture frame using lumber and some basic tools. To begin this project, decide on a size for your picture frame. We'll be working with an 8 by 10 inch frame, which is pretty standard. Next, pre-cut the lumber pieces you'll need for the project. We'll provide a cut list for all the lumber necessary for this project, as well as a list of tools and materials you'll need at the end of this video. When creating the inner section of the frame, the shorter boards should be placed inside with the 2 longer boards on the outside. Clamp one of the outer boards in position and apply glue to the ends of each of the shorter boards. Check that the edges are flush and attach these frame pieces using a nail gun. Continue driving in nails to each joint until the inner frame is complete. You can use a hammer and nails, but a gun will speed the job and recess the nails. Lay out 3 layers of the hardboard and lay this inner frame on top. This will raise the inner frame up and create the offset needed when the outer frame is attached. When complete, the glass, picture, and backing will be flush with the outer frame. Align the outer trim pieces. Clamp each joint as you go. And attach the outer frame to the inner frame using glue and the nail gun. Then, remove all hardboard pieces so that they don't accidentally get glued to the front of the frame, and allow the glue to dry. Now, do a dry run to make sure the pieces fit correctly before you bond them together. Set both layers of the hardboard into place, followed by the glass, and confirm everything fits correctly. Then dismantle the parts. Next, apply glue to each edge of the inner frame. Lay down the first layer of hardboard and attach with the nail gun. Use 5/8 inch brads so you don't poke through the frame. Repeat for the second layer of the hardboard and allow the glue to dry. Next up, attach 2 sawtooth picture hangers to 2 adjoining edges of the picture frame. These hangers should be centered up on the outer trim pieces. This will give you the flexibility to hang your picture horizontally or vertically. Then, measure and mark the center of all 4 sides near the opening for the glass. This is where each screen clip will be screwed into place. Position each clip so it doesn't block the opening, and tighten the clips just enough so they will stay in place once turned into position and hold the glass and backing. Sand the entire project and then wipe it down with a tack cloth to get rid of the sawdust. You can apply a finish to the picture frame or display as is. This rustic picture frame will preserve the artwork of your choice and add to your home's decor. If you decide to take on this DIY picture frame project, here are all the materials you'll need to create a rustic picture frame. Here is the cut list of the lumber you'll need. And lastly, all the tools needed for the job. For more detailed information about this and many other projects, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.